Good morning, students. So, we are doing our fourth chapter, that is chapter number 4, simple equations. Right? We have completed till exercise 4.1 and 4.2. So, we are doing starting with an exercise that is 4.3, right? 4.3. Exercise 4.3, that is solve the following equations, right? We have to solve the equations they have given, right? So our first equation is that is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2, right? 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So first of all, we will write an equation that is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Next step, we will move and 5 by 2 in a right hand side by moving and 5 by 2 in a right hand side. So 5 by 2 is having a plus sign, so it will reciprocal and it will be changed into an minus sign, that is minus 5 by 2, right? That is minus 5 by 2. So our next step uh, we have got, that is 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2, right? Here our denominator is same 2 and 2, so our denominator will be taken as a common denominator, that is 2, and 37 minus 5 by 2. If we subtract 37 by 5, that is 32 by 2, right? So next step we have given, that is 32 by 2. 32 by 2, here it is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 has been carried on, 2 6 are 12. So 2y is equal to 16. 2y is equal to 16. So here 2 is in multiplication with an y. So it will get an divided by 16, right? So 16 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. So y is equal to 8, right? So y is equal to 8. Next question, that is 5t plus 28. 5t plus 28. Here plus 28 is in the left hand side. If we move plus 28 in the right hand side, so plus 28 will be converted into minus 28. So 5t is equal to 10 minus 28, right? Here it is 10 minus 28, right? So 10 minus 28, right? It is 18, but minus sign is greater of 28, so minus 18 will be come, right? So minus 18, and 5 is in multiplication form with an t, and so it will get divided by 18 by moving it in a right hand side, right? So your answer is t is equal to minus 18 by 5. T is equal to minus 18 by 5, right? We have solved, and next question, that is p question, right? So next, that is C question. C question is what? That is a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2, right? A by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So if we move 3 on the right hand side, your answer it is 2 minus 3, that is equal to what? A by 5 is equal to minus 1. Why minus 1? Because 3 is having a greater number sign, that is minus sign, right? So minus 1. And next, 5 is in a division form, and if we take 5 in a right hand side, it will get multiplied. So your answer is, that is a is equal to minus 5. A is equal to what? Minus 5. So we have done our next question, that is C question, that is having an a's value, that is a is equal to minus 5. Next question, that is D. Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. First of all, what we'll do? We will take an plus 7 in a right hand side. So it will subtract it with an 5. So that is q by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. Why minus 2? Because 7 is having a greater number sign, that is 5 minus 2, right? Minus 2 has been come. Q by 4 is equal to minus 2. Next, what we have to do? 4 is in denominator, so we have to multiply 4 in a right hand side. So 2 multiplied by 4, that is 2 fours are 8, and minus sign as it is. So Q is having an and value, that is q is equal to minus 8. Here you can see it, right? I have done it orally. Yes, it is a very simple question and very simple equation, right? Next question, that is 5 by 2 x is equal to 10, right? So first of all we will take 2 in an multiplication, right? So it will be multiplied by 10, that is 10 multiplied by 2, that is 2 into 10, that is 20. So 5x is equal to what? 20. Next, it is 5 is multiplied with x, so 5 will be divided by 20, right? So 20 divided by 5, in 5's table 20 is coming in 4 time, that is 5 fours are 20. So your answer is, that is x is equal to 4, right? X is equal to 4, right? Next F question, that is 5 by 2 x is equal to 25 by 4, right? 5 by 2 is equal to 25 by 4, right? So first of all what we will do? 2 is in a multiplication form with an x, division form with an x, right? So we will multiply 2 in right hand side. So 25 by 4 multiplied by 2, right? 25 by 4 multiplied by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, that is 25 by 2. 25 by 2, right? So if we take 5x is having a multiplication, so if we take in a right hand side, right, so it will be get divided, right? Here it is divided form within 5, that is 25 by 2 multiplied by 5, that is 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. So your answer is 5 by 2, right? Here it is 5 by 2. Yes. Next question, that is 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. You have to do it is in a homework, right? For what we will do, you will multiply 19 by 2. You have to subtract 19 by 2 in the right hand side with an 13, and next you have to divide by 7, right? Next, what you have to do, that is question number H, that is 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. It is also an simple question you have to do in a homework, right? Next, that is 6z plus, okay, next, that is I question, that is 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3, right? First of all you will multiply 2 on the right hand side, right, to cancel out the 2 in the left hand side, right? So if you multiply 2 in the right hand side, that is 4, 2 2s are 4 and 3 as it is, right? Next if we take 3 in a denominator, so 3 into 3 and 4 as it is, so 4 divided by 9, that is 3 3s are 9. So L is having a value that is 4 by 9, right? L is having a value that is 4 by 9. Next, that is J question, that is 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3, right? If we take minus 5 in a right hand side, it will convert it into plus 5, right? That is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, right? That is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next, if we take 3 in a right hand side, but in a left hand side 3 is in a denominator, so it is divided, and if we take in a right hand side it will be get multiplied, right? That is 2b is equal to 8 multiplied by 3, that is 8 3s are 24, right? 24. So 2b is equal to 24 and b is multiplied by 2, so it will be get divided in a right hand side, so 25 by 24 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 twelves are 24, right? Or 2 12 twos are, that is 24, right? So b is having an value, that is b is equal to 12, right? I think you have understood this question. Next question, that is question number 2. So we have done our question number 1 of exercise 4.3, that is solve the following equations to get an value of a particular variable. So next question, that is question number 2, solve the following equations. So in here we have an brackets, so we have to solve this brackets, right, in these equations, right? So first question, that is 2 multiplied by x plus 4 is equal to 12, right? Here it is, 2 is first of all multiplied by what, that is, okay, 1 minute. Right, 2 is multiplied by x plus 4, right, that is in bracket. So here it is in multiplication form, in a bracket with a bracket shift, right? If we take it in a right hand side, it will be get divided, right? If we in left hand side, it is in multiplication. If we take right hand side, that is be divided, right? That is 12 divided by 2, and 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So here it is 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12, right? So x plus 4 is equal to what, 6. And next step, that is plus 4, right? If we take plus 4 in a left hand side, that is minus 4, that is 6 minus 4, that is 2. So x is equal to what, 2, right? So we have done our first question, that is x is having an variable, x is having an value, that is 2, right? Next question, that is 3n minus 5 is equal to 21. 3n minus 5 is equal to 21, right? So n minus 5 is equal to 21 by 3. N minus 5 is equal to 21 by 3. So if we take minus 5 in an right hand side, but first of all 21 by 3, 3 is having and divided by 21. So we know that 3 is having and 21 in an 7th time, 7th product, that is 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21, right? 3 sevens are what, 21. So we will cancel out 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 21. So 7 has been come, right? If we take minus 5 in a right hand side, right, if it will get added, right? So 7 plus 5, that is 12, right? So n is having a value that is equal to 12, right? So n is equal to what, 12. Next question, that is C question, that is 3n minus 5 is equal to minus 21, right? It is an same question like an B question, right? Same question, but here 21 is in a minus form, right? That is minus 7 will be you will getting, right? And plus 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2, right? We all know that. So your answer will be minus 2. Do it is an homework, right? C question. Next we are moving on D question, right? We are going to solve a D question. You can see here 3 minus 2, right? 3 minus 2 is equal to, sorry, 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2 minus y is equal to 7, right? So 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2 minus y is equal to 7. So here you don't have to subtract, because 2 is an multiplication form with a bracket. So first of all you will take 3 in a right hand side, next you will do an multiplication or division with an 2, right? First you have to take 3 in a right hand side, right? So by taking n3 on the right hand side, you will get, that is 7 minus 3, right? So 7 minus 3, that is 4, right? So 4 is divided by 2, right? Okay, here they have taken minus sign with and 2, so my 4 divided by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, so 2 minus y is equal to minus 2, right? 2 minus y is equal to minus 2. If we take here 2 in a right hand side, so it will get what added, right? Subtracted, so minus y is equal to minus 2 minus, okay, minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 2, right? So minus minus plus, so minus 2 plus 2, that is 4, and minus sign as it is, and minus y here it is, so minus and minus sign will be cancelled out and get it plus, so y is having an value that is 4, y is equal to what, 4, right? So a next question, that is equation minus 4 multiplied by 2 minus x is equal to 9, you have to do in your homework, that is, and same and question number C, right? Question like and question number C, right? Next, that is question number F, you have to do in our homework. Okay, I am doing in question number G, that is 4 plus 5 p minus 1 is equal to 34, right? Here 4 is being added, so if we subtract 4 from a left hand side, that if we subtract 4 in a left hand side, that is 34 minus 4, you will get that is 30, right? So you will get like this equation, that is 5p minus 1 is equal to 30, and 5 will be divided by 30, that is 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30, so p minus 1 is equal to 6, right? P minus 1 is equal to 6. So if we take minus 1 in a right hand side, so you it will be get what added 6 plus 1, that is p is equal to what, 7, right? So we have get an value that is 7, right? We have getting an value that is 7, that is p is equal to 7, value of p is what, 7. We have done our 6g question, right? Next we are moving on, and next question, that is h question, that is 34 minus 5 p minus 1 is equal to 4, right? 34 minus 5 p minus 1 is equal to 4. You can do like this. First of all, you have to take 34 in a right hand side, so 4 minus 34, so it will be plus minus minus and minus 30, right? Minus 5 p minus 1 is equal to minus 30, okay, 30, so 5 will be divided by minus 30, so p minus 1 is equal to minus 30 by minus 5, so minus minus will be cancelled out, 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30, so p minus 1 is equal to 6, so p is equal to 6 plus 1, so p is equal to what, 7, right? So it is also having a value that is 7, right? Let's check it out the answer that have given in an backside, right? That is C question and H questions answer, right? That is here you can see and 7, and here also and 7, G and H both are having an same answer, right? So I think you have understood all the questions which I have taught in this lecture. We have completed our question number 2, and we have to start with question number 3 in the next lecture, right? So we are ending our lecture over here.